Ahoj, ahoj, v dnešnej časti seriálu Did You Know That sa pozrieme na slovíčka widow and window. Widow and window. So, widow vo význame vdova. So it's a woman whose husband has died and who hasn't got married again. So, for example, there was a poor widow who had a beautiful daughter. She is a member of Benevolent Society for Sailors' Widows. Čiže je členkou benevolentnej spoločnosti pre nejaké vdovy námorníkov. So, another expression used with widow is that somebody is a fishing, football, or golf widow. It's a woman whose partner isn't often at home because they are fishing or playing football or golf. Okay, so a little bit funny. Fishing widow, football widow, golf widow. No a teraz máme tu slovičko window, window ako okno, so the opening in a building, car that you get see through and lets light in. So it's a window. So window has usually glass in it. Open the window, it's hot in here. I always keep the downstairs windows closed at night. A shop window, zaujímavý výraz. Shop window ako výklad obchodu. Shop window. I always try and get a window seat in a plane. Window seat, to znamená sedadlo pri okne v lietadle. Takže toľko zo slovíčok widow a window, no a verím, že po tejto prezentácii je to troška jasnejšie a teším sa na teba v ďalšom videu. Thank you very much. Bye bye.